money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? This is OD and I'm back with another video. And today I got this unique kit that works on the controller of Xbox One. And basically, this kit, when you install it, will have your controller working like an Elite controller as far as the face buttons and analog stick. So basically what it comes in here inclusive is, comes with the D-pad, the magnetized D-pad, and the dome D-pad. Comes with 4 concave analog sticks. So you have different heights. So you have the medium, and then you have the short. I guess these are the long and those are the shorts. And then you have the dome analog stick. And I guess they just come in, which I would call probably the medium size. Yeah, the dome on a medium size, and the concave is long and short. Then you have, if I get this out, there you go. These are the parts you're gonna install. So you're gonna replace the analog sticks here with these, and that way you can then put your different attachments on. So basically that's how it's gonna work. So what I'm gonna do is let me show you this too. And it came with the screwdrivers. So if you buy this kit, and there will be a link in the description, it comes with the screwdrivers. So it comes with the, what is that, the 6-star and a Phillips head screwdriver, precision. So that's pretty dope too. They give you everything you need. Sometimes a lot of times when I buy kits to put together, they do not give you the screwdriver, so that was good. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I bought this from Amazon. So what I'm gonna do now is install it into this controller. If you didn't see the video on this, check it out. And I haven't used it yet. A lot of my controllers I don't really use, I just collect them. But I'm gonna install on this because I think that this controller would be perfect for it. So, let me get to it and do my thing. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Got the controller fully installed. So it's just like the Elite controller. You take the analogs off, you change them out. They're magnetic. You can also change the D-pad. So with this installation, if you don't know already, you're gonna have to go through, it's a screw here. You have to take out the side panels, rip these off, just like in the video I showed you for the quick shot. And it's two screws on each side, one here, one down here, so on and so on. What I did with the leftover pieces, basically this kit comes with its own screws, so screwdrivers, so you don't have to buy any extra screwdrivers for it, so that's pretty dope. And here's all the leftover pieces. So basically you just take the analog off and pop on the other set. Now, my opinion on it, I played with it for a couple of days. And my opinion on it is that it's perfect. It feels just like the Elite controller. You're able to have the concave and also the dome shape. So when you're doing first-person shooters or adventures, you basically know how that go. Concave is good for aiming. Basically keep your finger locked. And the dome is good for running, sliding across the thumb. D-pad, I haven't really tried it in the fighting games yet. Hopefully I'm gonna try it out soon, but I'm pretty sure the D-pad will work like it's supposed to. It's a D-pad, and with the concave D-pad, it's pretty dope anyway, because you don't have to go fully directional. You already have everything here for your thumb to slide on. So on an Elite controller, it's the same thing. It's pretty much accurate, and I have fun with it. Caution though, when you do this, be cautious how you put it back together. I did have a problem where I took it apart, and then after the left trigger became real sensitive. Like I would just slightly put my finger on it and it would start shooting or zooming in. Didn't really like that. I had to go back in, and I realized that I was pinching one of the points here when I put the screws and everything back on. So be very cautious. It got real sensitive on me. So yeah, if you're looking for something like that, you're trying to save money, or you know what I mean, because the Elite controller is like $150 still. So if you're trying to save some bread and you know what you're doing, I would definitely cop this. This is a perfect kit for you. So yeah, definitely get it if you want to have an Elite type controller with the configurations. And then you can buy the quick shot and also the extra paddles for the back if you want to. Make yourself your own Elite. Now I did the math. Be honest with you, if you was to buy everything and then buy a controller, unless you already have a controller, you won't be saving much. If you're buying a brand new controller and then after putting all these accessories on, you might as well just buy Elite. But if you have the controller already and you want to buy these extra pieces, you'll save so much money. So for those people who already have a controller, the kit here was about $30, and it came with everything in there. Like I always do, I'll leave a link in the description. And then the quick shot kit, the quick shot is about, I think it was about $20, $15. And then the paddle shifters on the back was about $20. So it's roughly, you're spending about, you know, like $70. You know what I mean? But you already have the controller, so you save the money. Now that's up to you if that's what you want to do. But honestly, if you have the money, I'll go straight for the Elite. You have everything there, and you know, you Gucci. But as a person like me, you want to also have your custom made. So like for instance, you bought a custom made controller, but you want it Elite style, which I don't know why Microsoft don't do that. Let you custom make your Elite controller without using scuff, because scuff sucks, but that's a different story. Until they allow you to do that, you know what I mean? And plus the price would be crazy anyway. But nonetheless, I'm drifting off. Buy the kit. It's official. It's worth it. And that's all I gotta say. Please like and sub, and I'll holla at y'all later. Easy.